guys, today I will be playing with my dolls. I'm not a doll collector, but I collect dolls and kind of give them makeovers, which I don't really do nowadays. I did them when I was like 5. So I have my first ever bird doll right over here. I don't know, but she has some good body movements. And then we have my first ever, Disney doll. Disney doll. It is Rapunzel. Movable hands. Movable arms. Movable hands, another movable arms, movable head that apparently actually looks very cute. I really like how they did the head design, not gonna lie. Anyway, let me go get some other dolls. I'm gonna show you 2 dolls that are from Wicked.
Maybe they're just showing exactly what it looked like if you actually were assuming. Oh, God. What's wrong with you, Wendy? Seriously. All right, now this is the teenager phase? What is this? Oh, my gosh, it's you. Oh, no. Don't tell me we start dating in high school, because that would be totally unrealistic. Oh, we're literally so cute together. Look at your little emo eyeball. I'm not even looking at you. That's how you know I'm not even dating him. You're just flirting with me right now. No, we're gonna be enemies to lovers.
Sorry, I didn't even see you. Sorry. Anyway, first up is Elphaba. I gave her a new dress. I painted her boots a little leather design. And I wish I could put this on Galinda because it actually fit perfectly. And I accidentally added a little too much on the other one. Their leather shoes. But you kind of see the leather shoes just a small bit. Just a small bit. And she does this. Also, here, this is the back. She has a tiny little golden ribbon as her bow. I don't know why. I don't know. So cute. And then I have my first ever. This isn't the one that sings Popular, but she has the same thing as Rapunzel. I gave her Maya shoes because Anthony seemed to make them go missing. So anyway, let's get started with toys. Oh my gosh, a hurricane is coming. Well, Toto, what do we do? I mean, all I can say is just move to the castle over there. That sounds like a great idea. Toto, you saved my life. Okay, got my backpack. Come on, Toto. Okay, Toto, are you ready to go? Okay, let's go.
Someone's inside of it, so maybe someone needs to pretend to sleep in the bed. No, not it. Yeah, me neither. I can't even again. No, alright, it's totally you. Me and Ren have to team up and watch the cameras. Why me? You're the one that has a missing girlfriend. You want to save her? Fine. What is bro doing? Is bro gonna do his makeup or something? I'm Greg, just let me in your bag. Oh, okay, this is kind of weird. But you know what? Anything to save Pinky. That's our... Okay, let's walk the...
Oh, at least least we made it to the hotel. I'll just take off my seatbelt, get out of the car with a missing shoe, of course. Before the hurricane reaches the hotel, I heard that thunder. That doesn't sound good. Oh, there's no place like home, Toto. Okay, let me just get off my dress. Okay, come on, Toto. We don't have enough time left before the hurricane comes. Come on. Oh, that doesn't matter. Oh, let me in my bedroom. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna sleep here. I hope the new person, Galinda, doesn't find out. Oh, shush. Good. Oh my gosh. Oh, at least there's a new visitor here. They are very rich. They have a very pink car. Anyway, I'm gonna go pack stuff out for her. Let me just comb my hair to make me look beautiful and nice. Okay. So that's the gons of my comb. Now I have nothing to do. At least I can take out stuff from her backpack. This room will be a mess. Oh, her backpack is messy. I guess I'm just gonna have to move this all up to her room. Let's start with these two glitter pom-pom thingies. Let's move those right over there. And then let's add some pencils near it that are in shape all right, if you look. Oh no, the store is something coming. I better do this quick. Her backpack, her sketchbook. I heard about the podcast today. I heard the podcast and I heard tornado sirens. That might be them right now. Got 2 coloring pages. Okay, last thing. Everybody, go into your motel. Get into your rooms. It is not safe to be outside much longer. Alphabet, go to Glinda's dormitory. Oh my gosh, I forgot about the crayons. And we just snuck those in there. Okay, that's the end of my video. The hurricane will be coming in a few seconds. No, it's actually not a hurricane, it's a storm. I just pretended. But water is not allowed in a storm, but this is beautiful. We're not gonna last this long. Like, yeah, there's a definition of a storm. What is that glowing thing? There's a definition of a storm that's gonna happen very soon. Yeah.